So a really quick update on Bitcoin and our active trades. So right now, Bitcoin is pulling back to the 382, which is fine. You know, we were looking at it earlier here on the live stream. I was thinking maybe possibly we pull back to at least the 382, possibly the 0.5. We really don't want to break below the 0.5. And this is the little path that I have. And then just, you know, are we going to bounce up or are we going to come down? If we break below the 0.5, we're looking at the 618. Hopefully our last support for a bounce. This is just to let me know that we broke the 0.5. Of course, this would be the danger zone, which means that we could potentially continue going down. But I mean, right now, it's not surprising me that these coins are also coming down with it. If we do continue coming down, hopefully we're looking for a bounce here, 0.5, right around 107.9. If we come over here, we can see that all our coins are coming down. We have this coming down. These are all the stops that we had. Our first one was down here. And then now all these are all the stops. If you wanted to, I mean, you could take profits now. You know, some profits you could. But I'm looking for maybe potentially we get a bounce right here. Next would be a nice area. So we came down, up, down. Here's our decision point. Are we going to attack this to continue up, or are we going to roll over? If we roll over, then that's a really high chance that these coins will also come down. But right now we are at the decision point on Bitcoin, and that could lead this to be also, you know, really nice coming down here. We're in the golden pocket of this move, which would be, you know, 0.5618 if you did a fib retracement from here to here and potentially start coming up. But if we get stopped out, I mean, we're in good profits on this one. But if you want to, at any time, and this is why I'm showing you all these tips and tricks and how to do this. If you want, you could take profits right now. You know, take a little off the table. We've already done it though. Same thing here. We took some profits down here. We're in profits right now. We don't want it to break this level. If we do break this level, hopefully we'll get a bounce here. Hopefully that'll be enough time for it to bounce. If not, we get stopped out. Again, if you want to take profits, you can. SUI. This one, there's a really high chance we're going to get stopped out at a negative on SUI. If Bitcoin continues to come down, I was really thinking this one was ready to go. And I believe we entered it here, or I forget what we entered it. But if we lose this level, extremely high chance that we'll get stopped out. See this one, Pepe. This one, again, high chance we're going to get stopped out. 5% plus whatever leverage you're using. Very high chance. Right now, we are literally in the area where it needs to find support. Like absolutely, it needs to right here, which that's where it's exactly at. And then here's the next level. So let's just go ahead and put magnet tool on. Do it right here. This is the level that we needed to bounce off of. First it was this one, now it's this one. If not, we get stopped out. And I think this one at a loss as well. Again, we will lose, we will win. The main thing is to reduce the percentage that we're losing. So here we need for it to bounce. If you want, you could close out half of your position now. But for this one, since it's so close, was it like 2%, 3%? Yeah, about 3%, 2%. You could, if you want, close out still above the trade. But here I would look for it to, like, this is my bounce zone-ish area. And right now it broke through it, but it's trying to bounce above. It's on a 15-minute time frame. So we'll check on that one. Doge. Oh man, same thing. Man, I really want to see these come up. And for this one, like I said, you know, hopefully we were looking for the bounce of this. And this was a bullish pattern. That's why I don't trade patterns. But this is a bullish pattern. This is a bull pennant. But it just broke the pennant. And because it broke the pennant, my thought process is pull back to, well, this was before it broke down. This is what I'm looking at. If it does break down, not to worry. 0.3, maybe 0.5 before potentially bouncing up. See here, Cookie. This one, we were thinking that we had a pretty good chance of it coming down just because it went up so much. Coming down, bouncing off of here. And then this one, same thing. Just, again, because it moved up so much. Now, the reason you could have entered, and I did enter, the reason for entering at, include, because it moves so much and very low market cap coin, you never know. It could go up another 10, 20% before it retraces. And that's why we put in like 1/3 here. And that's because it moved already. We put 1/3 here. We'll wait for it to drop, find a bounce, start coming up, break a newly created pivot, and then you put your 2/3 in, because now it's more than likely, hopefully, going to go up. Again, nobody knows what's going to happen. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you very much. If you have any questions, put in the VIP chat. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And again, the main thing is just keep an eye on Bitcoin. Price will go up, price will go down. I was thinking that we might pull back just because, well, it could do whatever it wants. But what we have to do is we have to react to what's happening. And even though this was a bullish pattern, ended up breaking this trend. But hopefully bounces here. We'll see. If not here, all right. Thank you. Take care.